What's going on, guys? This is Drew at Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a nighttime drive in this 2026 Acura MDX Type S. So, you guys all know the MDX Type S is one of my favorite cars, and the other video I made on the 2026 MDX Type S seems to be pretty popular. And I uploaded that a few months ago, and if you want to have a more in-depth video, learn more about the car, you can watch that video. But this one's gonna be more of just a quiet nighttime drive, just to see, you know, what it looks like at night, so you guys can see the ambient lighting and all that good stuff. And to start off, as always, 3-liter turbocharged V6 with 355 horsepower, 354 pound-feet of torque with a 10-speed automatic transmission. And the MDX Type S, as far as the lighting and everything goes, in the interior is really nice. This one has the red interior. You have ambient lighting over there, and over there. You also have it on the floor. I'm gonna turn on my massage seats. Obviously, you have the touchscreen in the 2025 and 2026 models with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and Google Assistant. I'm gonna put it in Sport Plus, as I always do. Also, obviously the steering controls and everything are backlit. It's white in the steering controls and all that. And yeah, let's walk around the car real quick, and then we'll get out on the road and go for a quick drive. This one's finished in platinum white pearl, and you guys can see the dual LED headlights in action with it being nighttime. It looks absolutely beautiful. I love the Acura's headlights. They're super bright. They look amazing. And the MDX Type S is just a beautiful SUV. Absolutely love it. Here's how the taillights look at nighttime. The MDX's taillights look beautiful too. It's like nice LED red strip. Looks very distinctive. The Acura killed it with the design on the current generation of the MDX. But without further ado, let's get this car on the road and see how it drives. This light for now so you guys can kind of see the interior. So I can get my very nice and smooth acceleration from the MDX Type S. These are just such a blast to drive. I mean, it's just crazy how different the MDX Type S drives than the regular MDX. Like the throttle response, how nimble it feels, all of that. It's just such an awesome car. I just love this car. It's one of the ultimate daily driving SUVs. It looks beautiful, has a perfect amount of power for daily driving, plus with a little bit of extra boost. Very beautiful interior, very comfortable. I love the massage seats. Like the MDX Type S's massage seats is one of the cars where I'm noticing massage seats actually do something. In some cars, the massage seats don't really do anything. Yeah, look at that throttle response. You just put your foot down, this thing will pick up and move. far as visibility and everything at night, it's very easy to see out of this thing at night, and it's also easy to see everything on the road considering the dual LED headlights, very bright lighting. Also very nice and quiet in here. And we have returned to Grubbs Acura, so we're about to conclude the video. Before we do finish off the video, let's pull into a parking spot and then go. Let's look at the car again real quick. So you can see the lighting over there. Very bright with the high beams on, if you can see that. And if you want to see the ambient lights, go to your ambient lighting settings. You can have it change based off the dynamic mode, or you can go through Acura's Iconic Drive and you have all these awesome options. I love Bourbon Street. I think it's one. I really like it because it's like a mix of orange plus purple. Wall Street, that's cool. It's like green and white. I like how they have pictures for all the stuff. Automobilismo is pretty cool too. But yeah, you can't go wrong with any of these. All of these themes just look really, really cool. And here's a reverse camera. It's actually pretty bright because of all the lighting from the headlights and taillights. You can see a lot over there, which is good. But yeah, very, very nice MDX Type S. Super fun to drive, whether you're driving in the daytime or nighttime. Very, very comfortable car and very good looking SUV. But thank you for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own MDX Type S.